Halloween isn't just about costumes, pumpkins, and scary movies. It's also the perfect chance to learn some spooky expressions that you can actually use in business English. These aren't gimmicks, they're phrases native speakers use all the time at work. And once you know them, you'll start noticing them everywhere. In meetings, emails, and even financial reports. So, let's take a look at 6 Halloween-inspired expressions that'll make your business English sound sharper and more natural. Number 1, skeleton in the closet. If a company has a skeleton in the closet, it means they're hiding an embarrassing secret. Imagine you're reviewing a partner's financial records. You might say, "We need to check carefully. There could be a skeleton in the closet." The audit revealed some skeletons in the closet regarding unpaid taxes. Number 2, ghosting. In business, to ghost someone means to suddenly stop replying to emails or calls. Let's say you're negotiating with a client and then they disappear without explanation. We thought the deal was going well, but then they ghosted us. Number 3, witch hunt. This means unfairly blaming or accusing people without any real evidence. A manager looks for someone to blame after a project fails. Instead of focusing on solutions, the meeting turned into a witch hunt. Number 4, to be in the dark. If you're in the dark, you don't have all the information you need. For example, employees not being told about upcoming changes. We felt completely in the dark about the new restructuring plans. Number 5, to breathe down someone's neck. This means to watch someone very closely, usually in an uncomfortable way. Your boss keeps checking your progress every 10 minutes. It's hard to focus when someone's breathing down your neck. Number 6, to scare off. To scare off means to make someone leave or lose interest because of fear or pressure. High prices can scare off potential customers. The company's strict terms scared off several investors. So, there you have it, 6 Halloween-themed expressions that you can use in real business situations. They're not just for October, they'll serve you all year round. My name's Craig, thanks for watching Higher English, enjoy your Halloween, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.